Dear friends, myself Chishti Ilyas. I am a student of MS Bidway Engineering College. I have completed my civil engineering from this college. Presently, I am working as a superintending engineer, Water Resource Department, Government of Maharashtra. I am glad that I did my graduation from MS Bidway Engineering College, Latur, and now I can proudly say that I was a part of it. The best decision that I took and joined this institution. It would be difficult to sum up 4 years of MS Video Engineering College experience in just few minutes. I must say that the learning and exposure which MS Video Engineering College gives is just commendable. The faculty is just amazing and they stand by every student from the first day to the end of the placement days. I feel MS Video Engineering College is the wholesome basket for one who is looking to pursue bachelor's in technology. My 4 years journey was two experience right from my first year till the last year, where endless support of each and every faculty from every department, whether it be teaching or non-teaching faculty. From the first year, I learned many things like teachers taught us how dedicatedly we should focus on studies, which somehow boosted a level of confidence to reach till my goals. I believe that the achievement of an organization is a result of combined efforts of each individual. This is something that I learned at MS Bidway Engineering College, the place that helped me build not only my career but an ambition that was fulfilled by the support of everyone. My college believed in its students, and that's what makes this college stand out among others. I would always be grateful to my college for giving me multidimensional learning. The professors are all dedicated experts and helpful in their respective subjects. My college has played a very crucial role in shaping my career. Faculty imparted great values in me which made me ready for the outside real world. Throughout the course, the faculty were very supportive and inspiring. Its vision of shaping lives through quality education makes it stand tall apart from the other institutions. I must say, MS Bidway Engineering College is one of the finest college in its cadre, and I feel proud to be graduated from this college. The first moment when I came to this college, I was full of energy. The management, faculty, and staff of this institution are top rated. They all want their students to do well. This college provides so many opportunities to the students. The college which imparts education as per the need of present competitive environment. I can say professor helped me beyond the words. College keeps the students at the highest priority. MS Bidway Engineering College educate students in a very creative way and encourage them to think out of the box. I found that method of teaching is different. They make sure that the students should be comfortable and progress well in their life. I would like to thank you, MS Bidway Engineering College, for being so supportive and helping me throughout to develop my personality, thereby making me what I am today. I will without doubt recommend this college to generations to come so that the students around the Marathwada region may share in on the experience of such a college. MS Bidway Engineering College is the name which I can't forget in my whole life. I wish this institution on doing great stuff and help students to achieve their dreams. I would be thankful to our principal sir, head of the department of all branches, teaching and non-teaching faculty to make this college is the best place. I would suggest every freshers should be a part of this if you really want to achieve what you need. It is said that you learn from your experiences. So from my best experience of my college, I learned that failure is never final. Keep going, success is about to come, and therefore never give up. At the last, I will say, whenever anyone asks me from which college I belong, I proudly answer MS Bidway Engineering College, Latur is my college. Last, thanks to the person who showed me the way to MS Bidway Engineering College, Latur. Thank you.